Here we simply want to sum up all the money that these four people have. And so we want to add up 22, 31, 11, and 40 and put the total right here in cell B6. To do that, I'm simply going to click in cell B6, hit equals, and I can type sum. Then a parenthesis, and I can grab B2, drag down to B5, or I could just type B2 colon B5. Close my parentheses, hit enter, and it now will total and say, hey, there's $104. And the nice thing with doing a formula instead of just typing equals 22 plus 31 plus 11 plus 40 is if I go in here and I go, oh, Susan, she actually made $60. Notice when I type in 60 and hit enter, it changes the total. It counts these four cells every single time. Anything I change, it changes down here. It counts it over again every time I hit the enter button. That's how we do the sum.